Woo! Woo! Crazy, though.
Right.
Today, man, we got a special video. One of my subscribers drove 10 hours to come see me. But hold on, he ain't grown. It's a kid. So his mom ran him 10 hours to come see me. So y'all gonna meet my little nigga Pablo today, man. We finna get him on the vlog right now. Finna move the truck, pull the Hellcat out, and he finna come to the POV in the cat, man. Let's go. So yeah, man, I couldn't link up with little bro at 1 We got baby outside. I gotta go get my rotors done, man. I got the fronts done. I gotta get the backs and the brakes. But for the most part, we finna get a little Pablo in the car, man. I think about doing, should I do some pulls with him? Should I drive with him? What should I do? Let me know. I was gonna let him rev it up, go down the street, do some little shit. But I'm thinking I could just go down the street and probably find a spot to do a little burnout with him or something. We got a whole new makeover coming to the car within the next couple weeks. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Like, comment, sub, road to 5K. This is how you know you got a good car. Y'all see any oil? That's how you know you got a good car. That's water. That's how you know you got a good car, man. And if you take care of your car, it'll always run. Shout out to Fast Hemis, man. They just sponsored the car. They're gonna sponsor the bill. We getting those rip coil packs. We'll have those real soon, man. Mopar 2027, 28, man. Mopar 2026, my bad. Mopar 2026. We was there from the 27th to the 28th. This is 29th, so when you see this video, I'm probably gonna be long gone from here. But yeah, little Pablo, man, I appreciate you for pulling up, gang. Miss Maro, appreciate you. Yeah, there they go. Pulled up on the kid, man. And pulled up. Miss Maro. Pablo. What up? You mind being on camera? You good? Good? All right, bet. We got Miss Maro. I ain't seen you in forever. How you doing? I'm good. What up, bro? I was gonna say, shit, we can take him around the block too, so you can get a ride in it. So y'all ain't waste y'all time. And we can let him rev it and all that cool stuff. Man, he got big as hell. I ain't seen him in a minute. Yeah, I ain't been to Tennessee in forever. I ain't been out there in a long time. This yours? So you're a Moparian now? Huh? You are. No, you are. This is a Mopar. You good. So you was there at the right time with the right shit. So what's up with the Maro?
I still got it.
What you doing with it? You gonna build it or you?
I do want to build it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's wrong? Is something wrong with it or is it?
No.
Huh?
Everything good.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Well, I know you be on your money.
I'm going to Atlanta to a cruise.
When?
April 18th.
What is it? Like a Chevy Cruise or something?
I think it's like that Camaro group.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say, cause I'll bring the cat down there and bully some shit. Come on, Pablo. Don't be nervous, bro. Don't be nervous, gang. You on camera too. You finna be on the vlog. Look, you wanna ride? You wanna go for a ride? Come on, let's go for a ride. Y'all jump in. It's a car seat on that side behind you.
Okay.
So if you wanna put them over there. It's open. My little homie Pablo, man, we finna get him in the cat. We finna get him in the cat. Yeah. So this is my first POV drive. I got to do this one time with one of the shorties in my neighborhood, so that was pretty cool. But we're gonna basically get y'all a disclaimer. My fucking brakes, I gotta get my rotors done when I get home, so my shit been squealing since I got it. And I was mad to say I got out here. I drove to here perfectly fine, right? As soon as I get to the house and I try to pull in the garage, my shit say, ooh. I said, oh my God. Then I had to pull in the fucking Motor Speedway like that yesterday.
Not like noise.
I was so T yesterday. But it's cool though, because we still pulled up in the cat. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So give me your Instagram too.
What is it? MissMaro._.
Y'all go follow, man. We finna take bro out, get him a little POV drive in real quick, and then, you know, you gonna be the camera lady for me?
Oh, for sure.
Record both our reactions. I'm gonna get this back. Yeah. And I think we got like 50 minutes of footage. Y'all not gonna hear my brake squeaking because I'm not gonna let y'all hear that. But we going out right now. You ready? Huh? Yeah, I'm squeaking right now. You ready? Alright. I was driving through it yesterday. Everybody was looking at me weird as hell yesterday. Like, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. All right, cool. So where's that? This way. Scratch too hard because it's neighbors. All this weird shit. Shit feel crazy, don't it?
Right.
It just take your body every time it's like this.
I can't even help it.
Yeah. That's why I love this motherfucker. This shit ain't going nowhere. You feel it? It's crazy because I just did my brakes, right? And the dude, when I went to San Antonio, the dude was, I ain't drove my car, I drive this car. I drive this car like every 2-3 months, right?
Right.
And so when I got in it earlier, I'm like, okay, cool, ain't nothing wrong. You know, usually when your car said you gotta do, we drive, everything cool, no noise. Get to the house, I'm like, you mother. Woo! Woo! Yeah, she get wild. So it's an OEM drive shaft, but the factory one sit like this, right? So the sleeve I put on there brings it like this. So I get way more. I'm not sliding like other cats. Other cats keep sliding. I don't even know it, but I'm basically letting it build up to get to that point. I don't jump right in and try to slam because that's when it's gonna slide. It's gonna do that. It's too much horsepower, you know? So I'll do this. Woo! Shut up, bitch. You shut up. I don't live here, so I don't care. I'm going home tomorrow.
You just over here down here for the show?
Wham! Yeah, I was influencing this shit. I had people that came to see me this shit. So. See what I'm saying? Like I ease into it though. I ain't just dogging it. So you can actually feel it pull it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. A lot of times, y'all stop doing that with them cats, man. Stop just stepping in them like they not gonna slide. They gonna spin. The tires gonna keep spinning. It's real wheel. You know what I'm saying? You like it, Pablo? You fuck with it? Yeah? What you been up to? You been good?
Yeah.
So my girl, I was like, she gotta come. We gotta do a video. I gotta get the video. I ain't seen you in a long time too, so I'm glad that you came. I appreciate you.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, I appreciate you. So, you wanna rev it? Yeah. Let them rev. I'm gonna open the hood up for them. Yeah. Oh, that's nigga. I wish I would have knew we could have got a POV in yesterday. Oh my God. So you going to Atlanta when? April 18th? Shit, I might meet you out there. Yeah, I might just meet you out there. I ain't gonna lie, I've been trying to get to the A for a long time. I've been getting invited to the A for like a couple months now. So I might just go to the A. I'll come out there. I ain't been there in 2 years. 2.5 years. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah, I'll come. Let me know. Look, we gonna lock in more details, but I'll fuck around, just pop out there.
Okay.
You wanna rev it? Come on. Come on, brother. You good. You don't remember me, but I remember you. Yeah. I thought they was gonna say, stop driving like that. But guess what? No, I ain't gonna lie. It's a scat pack that's usually right here. And he was cutting up yesterday. Wanna rev? Come on, I got you. Hey, he went to the driver's side on me. Come on. I'm gonna let your mom record you, okay? Go ahead. My bad, bro. Let's see. Yeah, go one more time. Ooh. How was that? Show him the supercharger. I'm gonna rev it so you can see the supercharger. Hey, that supercharger wind down crazy, don't it? Right. You good, bro? Can I get a 5? You cool?
You decide.
You good. All right. Look, you good. I appreciate you for coming, bro. Can you say like, comment, and sub to the video? Can you say like, comment, and sub? You good. You good. Don't worry. Like, comment, sub, man. We're gonna pick y'all back up. Road to 10K.